Are you tired of duplicate customer records cluttering your Zoho Books? Learn how to merge them in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to select the duplicates, then choose the primary customer, and finally, confirm the merge. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, go ahead and click on the Sales module from the left sidebar. Now, from the Sales menu, select Customers to see your customer list. Click on the customer named Bobby AI to open their details. Check the box next to Bobby AI to select them. Then, also check the boxes for the other customers you want to merge. Make sure you've selected all the customers you intend to combine. With the customers selected, click on the Bulk Actions button. From the drop-down, choose Merge to start the merging process. In the Merge window, select the primary customer. This will be the main record that remains. Click on Continue to proceed with the merge. Finally, click Confirm to complete the merge. And that's it. You've successfully merged your customers. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.